Dear students, good morning. Myself Ranjana Misra, taking the class of biology. Today we are going to learn the topic crop production and management. Students, first of all, you learn what is crop. And crop is a group of plants which is grown and cultivated for the consumption and satisfaction of the human beings. What is crop? Crop is planting of the plant. Crop is a group of plants which is planted for the consumption and satisfaction of the human beings. For example, several wheat plants grow on a large scale, that is called the wheat crop. Dear students, you know in India found the monsoon cultivation, and the plants are dependent on the monsoon, and so we are categorized in the three parts. First is the Rabi crop, second Kharif crop, and third Zaid crop. First is the Rabi crop. Rabi crop planted in the November and harvested in the April. For example, wheat, mustard, etc. Second, Kharif crop. Kharif crop grow on Kharif crops grow on June and harvested in October. For example, rice, maize, cotton, etc. Third is Zaid crop. Zaid crop grow in March and cut in June. Example, sugarcane, muskmelon, watermelon, etc. So again you learn what is crop. Crop is a plantation group of plants which are necessary for the satisfaction and consumption of the human beings. Understand, students? So next topic is agriculture. In agriculture, different steps are involved. These steps are here. These steps you call the agricultural practice. What you call the agricultural practice? Agricultural practice is a process which are found 5 or 6 steps for the growing the agriculture, and these steps are here. First step is the soil preparation. In these steps, 3 processes are involving. First process is plowing the field. Second is leveling the field. And third is fertilizing the field. field. Another step is selection of seed and showing the seed. Showing the seed. This is very necessary because the good seed developing the good plant and good plant giving us lot of seeds. Third point is irrigation. Irrigation in India there are two types of the irrigation. First is traditional method. And second is modern method. Traditional method having the rahat, Dekli, chain pump, etc. And modern method having two types, sphincter method and drip irrigation method. In sphincter method, the lot of water is destroyed, but in a drip irrigation method is very useful for all the persons and there is no destroy of the water. So we use the in modern method in drip irrigation method in today. So next point is manuring and fertilizing. Manuring and fertilizing. Students, you did the compost manure, the plant, and compost manure is natural manure and giving the chemicals also for growing the good plant. Next point is you use the crop protection. Crop protection is a necessary process because different types of weeds, different types of insects, different types of the fungus are found in our field. So they destroy the crop and loss all the crops. So we use the insecticides fungicides, herbicide, and antimicrobial chemicals. So students, insecticide used to kill the any insect, fungicide use the fungus, herbicide use the herbs, and antimicrobial chemicals use all the small insect and fungus also. So you learn the different steps in the agricultural practice. Again we learn other ways to increase the developing the agriculture, that is crop rotation and mixed cropping. Crop rotation and mixed cropping, and that is the first. And then method of cultivation, culture the crop, that is the crop rotation. is a process in which the different types of the crops are grow in a field and one by one. That is called the crop rotation. It is necessary because they absorbing the nutrient and require of the crop availability of the moisture in the soil. For example, leguminous plants are grown in the same field and after that growing like the wheat or the paddy. This is because wheat or paddy consume nitrogen from the soil and the leguminous plants have ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous compound. So crop rotation is another agricultural practice type of the cropping. Another topic is the mixed cropping. Mixed cropping. What is mixed cropping? Mixed cropping is a process in which two or different types of the crops sown in a particular field at the same time. This is called the mixed cropping cultivation. For example, leguminous plants are grown in the cereals such as wheat and mustard crop are grown in with the wheat. So let's students, you learn agricultural practice in the different states, and you learn the crop rotation, you learn the mixed cropping, and another topic is the animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is a process in which you give the milk, food and honey from the animals. Rearing of animals on a large scale for the food and need, that is called the animal husbandry. What is called the animal husbandry? Rearing of animals for taking food and need, you call the animal husbandry. In this process, you take different. What are you take food? First of all, you take food, that is the milk. Second, the meat. Third is the egg, and after that you learn the where from you take honey. And first is the milk. Dear students, you know the milk is very necessary for you, and you take from where from you take in milk. You know you take the milk from the cow, buffalo, goat, etc. These animals are also called as milching animals. Because they giving the milk. Second is meat. Where from you take meat? You take meat from the hen, fish, goat, etc. And after that you learn the egg. Where from you? From the egg. And chickens, and after chickens and people consume egg, geese, etc. And another, you take food, that is the very important, that is the honey. Where from you take honey? Honey you take from the honey bee, and the rearing of the honey in a large scale by giving the production of lot of the honey, that is called the apiculture. What are you called? Apiculture. apiculture, honey gives you honey, honey bee gives you honey. It is very necessary for all of you. Thanks students.